Kenny the Cat King. A story by FreeSLP.com. Once upon a time in a kitty kingdom far away, there lived a cat king named Kenny who ate cake all day. With a crown on his head and a cape on his back, he ruled his kingdom with a mighty meow, not a quack. Kenny the Cat King was a curious cat at times. He loved to explore and try new things like bacon and even commit crimes. He climbed every tree and tried to catch every mouse. With his claws, he could rip apart any couch inside of a house. One day, Kenny heard a knock at his door. It was a clan of cats that Kenny hadn't seen before. They came from a distant land called Cookieville, and they were seeking help from King Kenny. He said, "Of course I will." The problem they faced was quite dire and bleak. Their kingdom was under attack by a giant monster with a beak, a creature with claws that were each as big as a cow. The cats and Cookieville needed help, and they needed it now. Cat King Kenny rallied his army of clones kitties and led them into battle. Kenny gave a mighty meow that shook the ground like a rattle. The clash was fierce, with claws and teeth flying. But Kenny's clone kitty army was strong and kept on trying. They clawed and they clashed until the giant creature was defeated, and the kingdom of Cookieville was saved, still undefeated. The clan of cats cheered and praised Kenny the King. They thanked him for his courage and, in fact, for everything. Kenny chuckled and purred with great delight. He was happy to help Cookieville defeat the creature and win the fight. And so, Kenny the Cat King became a kitty hero. The cats of Cookieville told him that his cookie stash now would never be zero.
Howdy! I hope you listened closely to the story. We have a pop quiz. But have no fear because I can give you a hint. All the answers to the questions have our target sound in them.
If you would like more free videos, games, downloadable activities, virtual materials, boom cards, and more, visit our website freeslp.com.